welcome back to my channel. So sorry I wasn't able to make an introduction of this video. I'm doing Vlogmas. So that means I'm gonna be uploading my videos daily until Christmas. Hopefully until Christmas and beyond. But sana mag-survive ako because I really wanted to do this for a long time. And I want to show you how is it to celebrate Christmas here in the Philippines. Though I'm sure most of my videos will just be me working. But okay guys, tatagalog na ako. So kakauwi ko lang and sobrang nakakapagod yung araw na to. Hindi man lang ako nakapag-video ng maayos, hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng maayos, but I went somewhere that I couldn't really tell you, but so I went into few places to check something, and then I went to my derma because as you notice, look at this pimple here. It's really affecting my eye. It really hurts. Tingnan mo. Oh my gosh. But anyway, I'm so excited because I came home and I received this package. Oh my god. This package is from Spain. Can you imagine? It's a PR package. My first PR package. Oh my god. Christmas came too early. So right now I just want to open this. Sobrang it's like 7 o'clock in the evening here, and I don't have any setup, kaya dito ako sa car, sa parking nag-film. But okay, let's open. You see they have this paper here. I haven't checked this one yet. You see it's Freight Logistics Europe. Oh my gosh, it came from Europe, guys. I didn't even bother to check because I'm so excited to see what's in here. Europe. Aww. You see these? Guys, this one has a letter.
And it says here, congratulations, you are now officially part of the Biovene Insiders. And it's time to pamper yourself with something special. Biovene, guys. Your gift box is prepared with the exclusive pink peel of mask. Really?
Oh my gosh! Pink peel of mask. Look guys. Home Spa hair protector. It's so cute. Look. Pink peel of masks. And this hair protector. And and it's all pink. My favorite color. Look guys. Biovene. You see Biovene? And then this one is Biovene. And Biovene! It's from Barcelona, Spain, guys. But this one, I think, is also available in Walmart. So, guys, check out their Instagram. I'll link down below. And you see how this one works. I'm like a baby opening it here. It's so cute. Look. Let's try. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Ooh. When you want to. Oh, thank you so much, Biovene. I can't believe I'm part of. Wait, there's more. Wait, there's more. Oh, this is. Is this the same? They sent me two! Okay, done! Okay guys, I'm gonna end this video now and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! End of day 1.